everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's class I'm going to be teaching you how to get rid of people in your video. Okay, that sounds too harsh, but basically I'm going to be teaching you how to edit out people in your video if you don't want anybody in your background. And as usual on this channel, everything is going to be completely free, which means I'm going to be providing you with free app options to use. So the first step is to take a screenshot of the video you want to edit. After that, you go to Play Store and install an app called Snap Edit. Now this app has a pro version, but to access the free features, you have to just watch ads for some seconds. Now that it's done installing, open the app and then go to Auto AI, and it will detect all the humans in the picture. Select the person you want to erase and click on Remove, and it's done. To save the image for free, click on a high quality, watch a video ad, and it saves your image. Now when it's done saving, go to your editing app. I'm using Inshot for this video. And go to Video, select the video you want to edit, then go to PIP, which is used to overlay pictures or videos. Then select the image you just edited on Snap Edit. Then expand the image. Click on Mask. Choose your preferred masking tool and move it to the right or wherever your edited image is. Now adjust it properly, and in order to remove the lines, simply drag this thing here, but don't do it too much so that the image behind would not appear. And it's done. Now you can save your video. So class, as I will always tell you, you have to use these apps ethically, which simply means you do not remove watermarks of real photographers from their work, because that is just not okay. You don't do that. I think it's actually illegal, but just don't do that. But if it's AI generated, or if it's just your personal picture and you just want to erase someone or a text or something from it, then that's fine. If there's anything you don't understand, just leave it in the comment section and I would answer your question. And for other free editing tutorials, click here and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.